Step inside the snake leather factory, where raw skins meet luxury.
Meet the men who turned raw hides into high-end leather.
Each step is handled by trained hands.
Raw materials arrive fresh from licensed sources.
Every skin is meticulously inspected.
Softening prepares skins for tanning. Parameters are constantly monitored for consistency. Excess residues are removed carefully. Next, the transformation begins. Tanning begins the transformation. Chemicals prepare the skin for durability. Uniform tanning ensures consistent quality. Temperature control is key to proper tanning. Residues are washed away to reveal tanned surface. Coloring transforms skins into luxury-ready material.
Every skin receives even coloring.
Next, moisture is carefully removed. Controlled heat locks in color and durability. Monitoring ensures perfect finish every time. Now, each skin is prepared for precise cutting. Patterns guide every cut for luxury precision. Marking ensures accurate dimensions. Precision machines cut each piece consistently. Quality is checked at every step. Excess material is removed carefully. Templates ensure exact assembly later.
Organization speeds up the sewing process.
Pieces move to assembly for stitching. Assembly begins where craftsmanship meets precision. Every stitch is controlled for durability. Components come together like a puzzle. Machines ensure consistent, high-quality stitching. Accuracy is checked by trained eyes. Every piece is carefully joined. Edges are finished with precision. Quality is enforced at every stitch. Craftsmanship proceeds to final enhancements.
The transformation continues with surface refinement.
Every flaw is identified before polishing.
Polishing machines smooth and enhance texture. Skilled hands refine every detail. Color consistency is applied uniformly. Controlled drying locks in color and finish. Buffing adds luxury sheen to each piece. Final quality check ensures perfection.
Preparation begins for final shipment.
Critical areas are reinforced for durability.
Machines provide consistent, precise stitching.
Every stitch is physically verified.
Hardware is installed with precision. Assembly is reviewed before shipment. Precision ensures every seam is flawless.
Digital records guarantee traceability.
Final shape is verified for perfect presentation.
Products move toward final packaging.
Automation identifies potential defects before packaging. Precision sensors check every surface detail. Defective items are separated immediately. Human eyes complement automation for perfect quality. Automation ensures speed without compromising accuracy. Defects are corrected promptly.
Even edges are scrutinized for excellence.
Every stitch is electronically verified.
Flawless jackets proceed to final packing.
Packaging begins with ready cartons.
Each jacket is carefully positioned.
Seals protect the product for transit.
Traceability and branding applied automatically.
Cases hold multiple cartons efficiently.
Sealed cases ensure integrity in transport.
Palletizing prepares shipments efficiently.
Safety and stability are verified before wrapping.
Shrink wrapping secures products for storage and shipping.
The finished product is ready for dispatch.
Every jacket undergoes rigorous quality control. Manual checks confirm stitching integrity and surface finish.
Materials are tested for strength and flexibility. Color durability is confirmed under rigorous conditions.
Safety and quality are never compromised. Every step is digitally documented for traceability.
Surface finishes meet luxury standards. Random checks guarantee uniform excellence. Only approved products proceed to dispatch.
The final step prepares jackets for delivery. Each jacket is carefully secured for shipment.
Sealed cartons maintain product integrity.
Pallets are organized for efficient storage and transport.
Shrink wrapping ensures safety during handling. Products are stored in controlled environments.
Ready for distribution to clients worldwide.
Every shipment is handled with care.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury snake leather jackets from start to finish.